All right, for all the people wanting to see a video of my exhaust from underneath. Passenger side goes right there. Both run side by side. These are just some pieces of pipe I pieced together. Did it as cheap as possible. That's for my flamethrower. The feed line. This is all like recycled pipe from other exhaust jobs I've done. But anyways, it's dirty right now. That was from playing in the snow in the yard back a few months ago. But I normally don't drive it much with those on there. But you can see how it runs. Everything clears. This is on the lift at full droop. You see all the rubber from burnouts. I've got my rocker off right now. I cut a bunch of crap out in there. I'm gonna paint it and put it back on soon. I don't know when. Whenever I get time, I guess. But all the inner fender plastic's out right now. I took it out because when one of those tires blew last time, it ended up taking one of them, knocking it loose. This one's in there. You can see all the caked up rubber. But anyways, that's it. Most all this pipe here is like 2.5. I think that one over there is like a little over 2.5. Come off a Chevy 1500. But as you can see, that's my setup. These are 4" by 18 tips. Stainless. They just need cleaning up. They look good when they get cleaned up, but I just got to polish them out again too. But anyways, that's it. Everybody been asking for it. That's it. And no, I still haven't fixed my broken CV axle. In case you were wondering that too. I'll get around to it eventually.